Ooh, gotta back up. Hey, buddy. Here we are at our new house. Got a garage over there and a little driveway. Hi, guys.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Woohoo! Okay, let's go around back because the front door doesn't work. Looks like somebody tried to bash it in, maybe. So all this front part you guys see is the original house, and then this back half is the add-on.
Right where the gutter starts, right?
Yep, right there. Yep. All the way around to the back door. Oh, I'm gonna peek over here first. Okay?
Okay. There's a UFC punching bag.
Yeah, over here on this side, we've got a cute little covered area, and that door leads into the back of the garage. Okay, should we head in?
Yeah.
Into the back door. First thing you see is downstairs, but we're not gonna head down there yet. We're gonna head this way, step up into the living room. Everything, with the exception of my vacuum and cleaning supplies, was already left here from the previous owner. So we've got a nice open living space area. I think they had the TV on this wall. Then, you okay, buddy? We've got a really interestingly laid out kitchen that we will be adjusting. We think this used to be laundry over here, and they moved some appliances over there because this space is just tiny and needs a lot of loving. And then you go through here to the front living space. So that's the front door that we couldn't come through because it was broken. Over here is a door out to the garage, which we'll check out in just a minute. Does have cool original hardwood floors, but I don't think we're gonna be able to save them. They're in pretty rough shape. Come over here, we got some nice storage options. Hi, buddy. Show them the cool boys' room, right?
Blue, my new one.
Blue. With a little closet. Not very big, but just fine for a kid's bedroom.
There's a blue hanger.
Yeah, very good. Then we've got what looks like the girls' bedroom. Got some pink in here. Same size little closet, so they just back up to each other. These are pretty small bedrooms.
And then the tiny little bathroom.
We got a bathroom that needs a lot of loving too. This whole house needs lots of loving, but that's okay. We got just a standard size bathroom. It's got a good size, just needs some work.
And tear some walls out. That's like the size of our black one, Mom.
I'll show you inside the small garage. Is there a light?
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that's the light to the inside. Where is a light? Right over here, maybe. Okay, so we've got just a small, older garage.
Mom, is this their car?
No, that's just a calendar.
Oh.
With a garage door that actually does still work, but we're gonna have to replace that and fix that.
All you have to do is replace the garage door. You don't have to replace the door.
Clean all this stuff out, and then that door over there leads to that back area with the covered area.
It's plugged up to something.
Yep. Okay, let's head back inside. Last one in, close the door.
Okay, I will.
Then back through the kitchen and living space.
Oh, yeah.
Show them the closet, boss. Open that up right here.
this
This one.
closet.
This one.
Oh.
Okay, so there's lots of storage space in this house, which is awesome. This is over top of the stairs. Okay.
And then back
And we got a little pantry.
Oh. Abby, you can take this home. That's the entry. Oh.
Lots of hidden treasures in there. Again, all this stuff was left here, so we're gonna be looking through all these things.
My favorite treasure is in the downstairs.
More storage on this side. As we walk into the master bedroom, which is actually very spacious. Yeah, nice big closets. Double closets, that's awesome. And then this bathroom is probably the scariest part, but it's good size and I like the location. So we're gonna be tearing everything out of here and making it into a nice master bathroom. No, I showed him that. Okay. We're gonna go check out the downstairs because this house is way bigger than you'd think, way bigger than it looks. It's just over 2,200 square feet. So this was the back door that we came in right here, and we're gonna head down. Got the light on? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you should show them that.
The tanning bed. We have a few cool treasures that they left behind, and one of them is a tanning bed, which my kids did not even know what it was. So we've got a big, huge laundry space. And then there's a little under the stairs closet back here.
There's also actually a broom.
Yeah, there's lots. They left lots of cleaning things, and all this stuff was left here. Building supplies, drywall and trim there. And then we've got good, like I'm assuming they use this for like their fruit storage, food storage.
My favorite treasure!
Tackle box. We found a cool tackle box. Anyways, so really good, I mean good space down here. More storage. And then there's this bonus room that we're gonna finish up. Yeah, look at that. It looks, just a minute, buddy. It looks like they were going to make this spot over here maybe even a bathroom, because there's some sinks right there in those boxes. So possibly a bathroom or closet with a huge bonus room that could be a bedroom or a workout room or a playroom or a theater room. Lots of options. And then there's like the freaky crawl space down there. But even though it's scary and dirty, it is awesome because look how tall that thing is. We got loads of space to get underneath the house and do the work that we need to down there. So that's gonna be really nice, actually.
We just need a flashlight and then boom.
Yeah, just need a flashlight and then we're good. You close that, bud? It actually has an automatic light up top that shuts it off when you close the door. Super cool. Okay, back upstairs. So you got the tour of our new project.